Hello, welcome back to my channel. I'm going to show you how I take pictures of my beadwork. So most importantly is the staging. I like to use these papers. They are from Michaels. They're just scrapbooking paper in a bunch of different colors, as well as this really cool one that has the texture to it. It's really gorgeous. These are also really affordable at like $1 or $2. I also have this fake marble placemat that I like to use for my photos as well. You can also use fabric and fake flowers. These can also be cheap, like from the dollar store, or I pulled those leaves off of an IKEA plant that I have. You can also use real plants if you have any. Most importantly, set up somewhere bright with natural light. Here, I'm shooting in my kitchen right next to a window. I take my photos with a DSLR camera that I've had for years and years. You can also just use your phone. So you can see roughly what the photo looks like. And I use Photoshop to edit the pictures to correct the lighting and colors. Another background I love to use is clothing. So this is a furry vest that I bought at the thrift store. And this is actually the lining that I've utilized. And I find scrunching the satin just makes it look much nicer. So this is it the right way around with the pink fuzzy fur. And this is how the photos turned out. Thanks for watching. Oh wait, there's more. Here's a secret tip. If you want a furry background, just use your pet. Just make sure that you give them lots of pets and maybe some kisses and some treats to thank them. Thanks for watching my video. I hope you like these tips. Let me know if you have any more questions and how else I can help you with your beading business. Bye!